Uyabona ngendlela uZuma namandla ngakhona. Ngendlela uZuma namandla ngakhona. Uma kuke kwenzeka wasondela egama la eduze kwegama lakhe noma ungasasondelanga eduze kwesiqu sakhe. Mawukwasondela eduze kwegama lakhe ugcobo lwakhe liya kwengama. Now ugcobo lukaZuma ke ukuthandwa kanti futhi nokuzondwa kuyahambisana. Funny enough, uZuma commands darkness and light. Hey guys, yazi ukuthi I feel like uZuma kuyokhulunywa ngaye many years engasekho sekuthiwa we need to study the patterns of this man. Whilst we have an opportunity to be eceleni kwakhe, to learn from him, sididwa i-borrowed power, sididwa amandla akhe. Yazi ukuthi ubaba unamandla ukuthi noma ngabe kuthiwa besingakufuni kangakanani, uma ngabe nesikhulumile siqale sincenga inhliziyo. That's the power that man holds. You know, mina nje, I know there are people who follow me because I talk about ubaba. That's the power that man holds. I'm just trying to show you ukuthi i-borrowed power is real. Ungaze wena uyitshele ukuthi uwe kanti lutho. It's the angazi noma ngoba ngasonta kakhulu now always refer back to the Bible, to indlela ukukhulunywa ngayo religiously, because iyona nto ebe anchor yami for a long time. Iyona nto ebe ngiguide for a long time. So when I talk, even though I'm no longer religious, I'm now spiritual, I will always refer back to religion because that is where I began. Now, ngifuna ukukhuluma ngendaba yamandla kaZuma. Amandla kaZuma. You know, when iStellenbosch Mafia sikubona useduze kwaNxamalala, they look at a few things. They look at your character. Bese beyabuka ukuthi, are you usable? Can you be a tool? Or are you too close? Ukuthi you are a Zuma loyalist, ngeke usasebenziseka, you are a waste. And then mangabe bethola ukuthi you are still usable, I guess iyakhala. Sibona silapha esikhona njengamanje. Because some of us allow ourselves to be tools.